Hi everyone, today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on slices in Figma. This won't take long, but it can be a useful tool to know. The slice is a tool to mark specific areas of your design to export an image to share with others. This essentially allows you to easily select an individual element in your prototype and be able to pass it along if it's ready for development or you want someone's opinion. So it's a good tool to know. Okay, in order to use the slices, you're going to go to the top left-hand screen where you see the frame, and you're going to click the drop-down arrow. You'll see frame, section, or slice. So I can select a slice here, or I can just press S on my keyboard. And then it has the cursor for me to draw a box. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this little portion of the login screen. And as you can see on the left-hand side, there's now a slice one under frame. So I can just rename that to login slice. We'll rename that there. And so you can see it. And when it's not selected, you'll see that there are gray dashes that show you where the slice is. Now, if you want to export it, you can go to the right-hand side of the screen where it says export and click the plus sign, and you can easily just export the slice, and you can kind of change the file type right here. That concludes our tutorial on slices. It's easy to use, it's quick to understand, but can be really useful. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.